Can I throw those on?
What's that?
Can I throw those on?
Yeah, if you want.
Go
Go ahead and unclip it.
What do I hold with this hand?
You go ahead. You're gonna put this hand right here, either back here with your shoulder.
Right here?
No, back in here, up under there, and kind of push it into your shoulder a little bit. There you go.
You just hold it like this?
Just hold it like that, and we're gonna put this hand right here, up under here, like where your boob's at.
Like where?
Like up in here. Come on, Mary. This isn't hard. There you go. All right. Cheek right here. All right. So you see the inside of the holographic sight. Hang on.
Yeah. Gotcha.
All right. Cool.
Okay.
That is 300 yards, by the way.
300?
300 yards.
Yeah, I'm badass now.
You are badass.
Yeah.
All right. Right now the gun's on safe.
It's on safe?
It's on safe.
How do you
yes.
undo it?
All right. Well, what you want to do is take your pointer finger and push that forward.
Push this?
Yep. That, like, get in there. There you go.
Okay.
All right. Hang on.
And you just hold this?
Yep. Just hold it.
Okay.
There you go. All right, Mary. When you're ready, okay?
Oh my god, that was
Do it again. You got this. Come on.
Oh my god, that hurts.
That doesn't hurt.
Oh my god.
It's only a 308.
That
Take it up higher.
totally hurt.
Do it again.
Mary, you got this.
Oh my
There you
God.
go. And then
It's got a rubber padding to it. Seriously.
Literally, I feel weird not holding. Oh no, no. Okay.
yeah, hold on to that. You're good.
Holy shit.
Okay.
All right. Shoot it again.
One more time. One more time.
Yeah, here. Hold on. Push it forward a little bit. There you go.
Help me. Okay. Woo! That like jumps back. Oh my god. Okay. Down.
Oh my god. Oh my god.